In today's video, I will be showing you 3 ways on how you can add a new tab or sheet here in Google Sheets. So there are 3 easy ways on how you can add a new tab or sheet. The first and simplest one would be to press on this plus icon right here, where if you hover over it, it will simply say Add Sheet. Let's click on that, and there you have it. That's your new sheet right here added, which is sheet number 5. If you've added a couple of sheets from before, it will tell you how many sheets you've added so far, and right now we are on sheet number 5. Let's try the second method, and that's going to be by going to Insert here in the menu bar and selecting Sheet right here. If I click on it, there you have it. Now we have our 6th sheet right next to our 5th sheet. And our last way would be with a keyboard shortcut. If you haven't noticed when we went to Insert right here, next to our sheet, we have the keyboard shortcut of Shift and F11. So let's go ahead and do that. Press Shift, then F11. And there you have it. Now we have our 7th sheet. So we added 3 sheets right here with 3 methods. First is with this plus sign right here. The second way would be to go to Insert and selecting Sheet. And our third method would be by pressing those keyboard shortcuts, which is Shift and F11. So that was 3 ways on how you can add a new tab or sheet here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.